Yoga i Paperoka. Today we are going to continue our Ateso grammar course with adjectives. Interrogative adjectives or pronouns. The one interrogating the noun. Inyobo, what, is invariable. For example, we say Inyobo yen, what is this? Ikoto inyo, what do you want? Ingai, who, plural, lukangai. And examples, Ingai ejeni, who knows? Lukangai bo lu, who are those? The interrogative adjective whose is formed from Ingai, eitabo lukangai, whose books. Then in plural we have plural and singular. We have examples luinyoin, nainyoin, yeinyoin, which means which one, of what kind. In plural we would say luinyoika, nuinyoika, luinyoika. They can be used as a pronouns or as adjectives. Erasikesi tunga luinyoika. What kind of people are they? Luinyoin itelekarit Apollo. Who is the biggest? Here is an interrogative pronoun standing in the place of which person is the biggest. Normally it follows the gender and the number of the noun which it interrogates about. So we say Angor nuinyoika. What kind of women? Which women do you mean? Similarly, we will say Etelapat loinyoin, ikoku yeinyoin. It formally follows the noun it interrogates about. Ekoton gesi igwen luinyoika, or idwe luinyoika inera kinos osukulu. Now we move to the possessive adjectives.